I'm Nina.
And I'm Randa.
And today we have a challenge for you guys. That challenge is a grocery haul
for $30.
So we're going to have a week of groceries, but we only have $30 to spend. We're going to see who got more groceries, right?
Who got a better bang for their buck. And also
who got the better food.
We also thought it would be funny to see if we buy the same things. Just because we're twins and we do like the same things, maybe
literally eat the same.
We'll have that telepathy.
Or we just like this. Yeah, we like the same.
But also, you guys know we follow the Clear Skin Diet, our book. So we'll see if it's similar or not.
Yeah. All right. So I'll go first.
Yeah.
The first most important thing I had to get was bananas.
Oh,
because I love fruit, and they're 20 cents each. So that's not bad. And I can eat these in the morning. Put them with the oatmeal. Okay. Or just have it as a snack.
I too got bananas. But I only got a few bananas.
I got ripe ones.
I know. I literally didn't see any ripe ones. They only had green ones.
I took them all.
You took them off
first?
No, that's why. No, yeah, I think I definitely eat more than 4 bananas in a week, but
hey. You can eat 4 bananas in a day.
Honestly, I could, but doing it for the sake of the challenge.
The next thing I got, these were like $1.30 or $1.79. Or
that's cheap.
Like $1 for this many sweet potatoes, for 2 pounds of sweet potatoes?
Wow.
That's amazing.
Okay, so you know what I did? Did I seriously only get 2 sweet potatoes?
What? Why
that can't be right.
These ones are really cheap.
These are 89 cents each. So I think I messed up.
Yeah, you messed up.
Because I actually picked out like 6 sweet potatoes and then I was like, oh no, I'm over my $30. And put a few back.
These ones are tinier.
So I think I only got 2 sweet potatoes. Wah wah. I could literally eat that in one meal. I got beans. But let's see how many.
Cans?
7, 8 cans of beans.
Okay.
I figured if I eat 1 can of beans a day and maybe one day I'm a little extra hungry. So I just got 8 cans of beans, you know? It's kind of a lot. We could do that, I think I could eat that in a week for sure.
I also got some beans. I went over budget, so I had to get rid of some beans. Did I only get 4 canned beans?
I just realized I missed something so major in the grocery haul.
What? What'd you miss? Rice?
No.
What?
Oats.
You failed.
I literally didn't
won.
get any oats. No. I still might have time to redeem myself.
I don't know. I have 4 things of canned beans and 2 things of oats.
Wow.
So look.
Yeah?
It's like I predicted that you weren't going to get oats.
I could literally finish this in like 2 days.
No, we go through a thing of oats because we eat them for breakfast and we eat it as a snack with granola, so yikes.
Sometimes you don't want beans every day.
Exactly. So, and I got a lot of potatoes.
Okay.
So
I'm going to give it to you. I think you are winning so far. I got this thing of spinach. Don't hate me. I know it's plastic.
Wait, I got spinach too.
Hallie, we're like twins.
No way. It's only like $2 and you need veggies.
Exactly.
Right?
Some fresh spinach. Okay, so
we're gonna eat a lot of spinach this
winning.
Wait, are mine organic? Mine are organic.
Mine are not.
Ooh.
And you know what that means?
You want to get organic spinach, you know?
Mine's probably cheaper. Next thing I got are these organic brown rice, organic jasmine rice.
Wait, there's oil in this brown rice.
No, there's not. I checked.
Oh, there's not.
Dun, dun, dun! Okay. Each contain 3 packets of rice, and I usually eat 1 packet at just one sitting. So I figured, okay, if I get
But if you get 6, what if you wanted rice like 2 in one day?
Well, I just figured I would eat 1 rice a day.
Okay.
And then maybe another
and you only have 2 potatoes.
But I don't have any oats.
You got a lot of beans.
I don't know what I'm eating for breakfast.
Alright, so here's what you did wrong. These are cheaper and you can just cook them up.
No, but I was going
for easy.
For lazy.
Yeah,
but
that's
why I got this.
Going for price. And white rice you can just cook on the stove.
But you know what? Now I have more time to do things since I won't have to cook up the rice.
You can make more money.
Hopefully.
I almost wanted to just get like 5 of these.
I got 2.
These are $1. How many are
there?
There's 6?
No, there's 12 tortillas in here.
12 tortillas
That's
for
a lot.
$1. Like, why aren't people buying tortillas and just living off this?
I'm gonna put my beans and rice and maybe my sweet potatoes
but look,
in here.
I can make sweet potato tacos with beans and rice.
Well, I can too, but I just don't
you
have
only
enough
have 2
sweet
potatoes.
I know.
I can have sweet potato tacos multiple times.
I messed up, I will say.
So I also got some frozen strawberries. Like, I could snack on these, or I could put them in my oatmeal. Wait, where are my raisins? Did they take them away?
Maybe you went over your limit and put them back.
No, I didn't.
Well, no raisins for you. I got some frozen mango for my oatmeal topping, but I forgot to buy the oatmeal.
Fail. Well, I got frozen strawberries and then frozen veggies in case I want to just microwave them up, eat some beans and rice and tacos. And then I
too got frozen veggies. I got 2 bags of frozen broccoli. I definitely could finish this in a week.
And then the last thing I got was this gluten-free brown rice pasta because it's easy to cook up. And yeah, I feel like you could eat this for like
starch,
probably lunch and dinner. And yeah, what I found is the thing that makes you spend more money is if you want to get like, you know, fruits or vegetables and stuff, which I love, obviously. Yeah. But if you're trying to shop on a budget, definitely go for the potatoes because that's actually going to be satisfying. And then if you want like a sweet tooth, bananas. I got some raisins. I thought I did, but I guess I don't have that because you can eat it with your oatmeal.
Good snack.
So
a big trend I've been noticing on YouTube is that people are no longer vegan. I mean, people are dropping out of the vegan lifestyle left and right.
Yeah.
Which, you know, everybody should do whatever they want, but I will say something that I feel like keeps me vegan. I mean, I've been vegan my whole life, so it's never gonna change.
Yeah.
But doing it right, and that means eating lots of starch as your staple.
For sure. You gotta be satisfied.
Yeah. Some people are like, oh, I'll only eat like high-fat foods, or oh, I'm only eating like protein, or I'm only eating fruit, and it's just like it's really not sustainable. And if you want to stay vegan, I would say try doing starch solution, clear skin diet. So yeah, everything in this grocery haul. But I still
well, also yeah, if you want to check out our book, we'll leave it linked in the description.
I did get some cuties. These were
it's a good snack.
Kind of pricey, but they smell amazing.
Okay,
and gotta get that fruit.
So we actually did a little bit different. We got different fruit, which is perfect because now we can just share.
No, we did get pretty much the same stuff.
Yeah,
but we got fruit that'll complement each other, and I didn't get the oats.
So also, I want to say I spent $29.88.
I spent $30.52.
No, you said you spent $31.
No, I spent $30.
You said 31.
Maybe I spent 31.
So I gotta say, I already won.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you.
I followed the challenge.
I think you got more food, and you also got oats, and so you won.
I'm gonna be more satisfied. Thanks,
I'm gonna give it to you.
But if you think Miranda won, you know, you feel free to let her know in the comments.
Yeah.
If you spent $30 a week on food and you didn't eat out and all that, you'd spend $120 a month on food, which I think is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
I think it's definitely doable.
It's doable,
and it's healthy, satisfying,
and it tastes good. Obviously, you got to buy your condiments and your spices. But you don't have to buy that every week, luckily.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're interested in more food videos, we have a ton of what I eat in a day, ton of recipe videos, and we'll link those in the description.
Also, I just want to say we do have a big announcement coming up.
Oh yeah.
I'm hyping it right now. We can't say what it is.
Hopefully within the next month.
All I can say is we're really excited. I think you guys are going to be excited. So yeah, stay tuned. I guess if you want to guess what it is, you can guess in the comments.
But yeah, we're going to be revealing some big news soon, so make sure you hit that post notification bell, follow us on Instagram, all that stuff, so you don't miss
a video.
And what we're going to reveal.
Alright guys, have a happy spring, a happy summer, feel happy, meditate those good vibes,
Bye!
And feel good.